Is a staple in many households, and it's been a staple of a political debate across California for years, as many have struggled to implement the more humane living conditions for pigs and other farm animals called for in Prop 12. Fox 40's Censeri Tonsil is following the debate for us today as it lands before the U.S. Supreme Court, and she joins us now with more. Censeri.
Eric, oral arguments are supposed to last 90 minutes. They went well over 2 hours, an indication of the full plate of concerns tied to this legislation. It's an issue that's been sizzling in California since 2018. A voter-endorsed demand that out-of-state pork producers give their sows or gestational pigs more room to live in. The intent of Prop 12 is for those animals to be housed in 24 square feet of space instead of a 2 by 7 foot crate. The searing implications of what that means has created a multi-year in-state fight over regulation and implementation, and today landed questions over its constitutionality before the U.S. Supreme Court.
While there are line drawing problems in this case, it didn't seem to be anyone was suggesting that it was unreasonable for California to decide that cramming a pig in a crate so small she can't even turn around in order to make food is unreasonable and inhumane.
The line drawing in this instance refers to the ones that differentiate states, and claims by the National Pork Producers Council that Prop 12 violates interstate commerce laws by one state, California, forcing farmers in places like Iowa to increase crate sizes in order to put pork on Golden State tables. Only Congress is supposed to make rules affecting interstate commerce. Justice Kagan was among those who drilled down on the fact that some pork producers may not want to incur any new inconvenience or expense.
But its interest is cost related. Its interest is, look, we think this is, sufficient, and we don't want to do anything that's more expensive.
And it's not only cost related; it could be morally related. California's moral view that pigs shouldn't be kept this way can be matched in Iowa by a view that the most important thing about sows is producing.
Well, I must say that seems unlikely.
We have other pork producers who say they're perfectly happy to step into the void that your firms don't wish to fill.
No decision is expected in this case until next spring. Nikki?
Censeri, thank you.